This is a combined knot technique for lifting heavy objects. Let's take a look. With just a single rope, fold it in half and place the middle section under the heavy item. This method can be used to lift large barrels, containers, or stones that are difficult for one person to move, quite practical for household use. Here's how it works. Lay the rope flat under the object, then tie simple overhand knots in a crossed pattern. Once the knots are formed, place one of them over the top of the object to be lifted. After securing it, you'll see two small loops on both sides. Rotate and tighten these loops. When tightened, form a lever knot at the top by wrapping the other side around once and pulling the rope end through the knot. Once pulled, the setup is ready to use. The knot holds very securely and is safe under heavy load. If the object is too heavy for one person, several people can work together with this method. Under tension, it remains strong and reliable, and when not under tension, the lever can be removed easily without leaving a dead knot, making the rope reusable and very practical.